Hey guys, today I'll be sharing my review on the Nykaa InstaBlur color corrector sticks. Now these color corrector sticks are priced at Rs 499 and you get 3.5 grams of products, and it also has a shelf life of 3 years. They claim to have creamy blendable formula. They are also enriched with pomegranate seed oil and Camellia extract nutrition bullet, and they also claim to have a long lasting formula. First up, we have peach. It's used to blur dark circles and it's suitable for fair to medium skin tones. This is the amount of product that you will receive, and according to me it will last you for a long time because you only need a small amount of this product. Next up, we have the shade green, which is used to blur acne and also redness. Next up, we have the shade lavender. It is used to blur pigmentation and dark spots. Dark circles, and it's suitable for medium to deep skin tones. At last, we have the shade yellow, and it is used to blur dullness. You can use your finger or your beauty blender to blend them seamlessly. These sticks are beginner friendly, and the nutrition bullet provides hydration that helps in easy blending. I also love their packaging as it has a color coordinating bottom, and the best part is that the outer cardboard box mentions its uses, so it's very user friendly, and it also has a stick retractable stick format that is similar to their pen stick lipsticks. So here are the pros. First of all, they are very blendable. Secondly, they have a creamy consistency. Thirdly, they have a non-drying formula because of the unique nutrition bullet. They are also beginner friendly and travel friendly, and they can last up to 6 hours, and I also found them very affordable. I have found only one con. The color corrector might peek through if you use a sheer coverage foundation or a BB cream. Well, that's it for today. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on my Instagram where I post more about makeup and beauty tubes. The full detailed review is up on my blog Indian Budget Beauty. The link is in the description box. Have a great day.